Okay, so this is the Astro.js starter template. This is the files you will receive. We're currently in the README file, but this is what you will get. And if you run the command, this is what we will see. We refresh. There we go. So it's a basic note-taking application with image upload. We're using auth, database and storage with Appwrite. And we've got Astro.js, Tailwinds, Flowbyte, and obviously Appwrite. And we'll be able to create notes, view notes from the database, delete a note, basic login registration system. We're not following the users and stuff, but you can do that obviously in your own time. So this is the home page. We've got a login page, register page, and dashboard. So with the login, I will show you the backend. So I've got in my Appwrite project, I've called Astro Notes. I've got one auth, and I've created a couple of users. We've got a few of them here. So that's basically if I log in as one of those users, I get to go in. I get logged in, and if I register, I can create a new person or new email, as long as it's a verified email address, and it will register it in this database in my auth on Appwrite. Once you log in, you can go to the dashboard automatically. I haven't set up protected routes, but you could do that. And the dashboard, if I go into my databases and my notes collection, I've got a couple of notes in here, and the data, it contains content, image URL, and ID. The image URL is actually the ID of the storage image. And then that's shown up here. If we look at the data here, we've got intro video, intro to Appwrite starter, test the video, etc. So if I was to create a new one, it would show up here, and also it would show up in the all notes file. So what I will do, and now I will show you on the example of what you get when you download the GitHub repo. So you want to put all the endpoints and IDs in change it to .env obviously, and put the relevant files there. And what we're going to do, we're look at the source. So you've got pages here, and obviously the main page is just the information about the template. The login page, we're using Astro post request. But actually, before we do that, let's look at the library. So the library file, we made a library folder called Appwrite.js, and it contains everything that we need on the backend. Pulls in everything that you put in your env, and that way we can use this all over our project. So if we go back to the login, we're pulling in account from this Appwrite.js file, and this creates a session from a registered user on our backend. And if we look at the register, it's very similar, except it creates the person instead. And when you create it, it goes to your login, and when you log in, it goes to the dashboard. So if you go to the dashboard, we're bringing in a card component, side layout, and we're bringing in a lot of things from Appwrite, the Appwrite.js file, namely the database, the storage, and the IDs. So we're fetching the notes at the beginning, putting it as a temporary array, and then adding to it when we get everything back from from Appwrite. And once we get all of it back, if we look here, we're mapping through it, and we are taking these as parameters in our card component. And it's taking everything in. I've even got a thing here where if there was no image URL, then we're basically getting a placeholder image. And the storage URL how to see the actual image is shown here as well. Okay, so that's the card component. And we've got obviously the header and the footer. The header just shows the nav bar, and the footer is just the footer, and we've got like a little year, so it changes according to the year that we're in. And we were in dashboard, weren't we? Yeah. We've also got another post request in the dashboard which relates to the card component. So if we look back into the card component, I will show you. We've got a little form here which basically takes an input of the ID, and when we use that in our dashboard example, and we're going to get the ID and we're going to get the document based on that ID, and we're going to delete the image that's related to this ID in the storage file, and we're also going to delete the note itself. So you bring in the database and you're deleting the document, and once all of that's done, then it just refreshes the page. And that is that. So it's very simple, but it's a good starting point for a simple CRUD application. We haven't added the update function, but you can obviously do that in your own time. But yeah, that is the Astro Appwrite starter template.